This is a sad story. Virginia woman killed in grisly mauling by her dogs, cops say. It's Bethany Stephens, or Stephens, was mauled by her two dogs while taking them for a walk near her home. Here she is. She's 22 years old only. A Virginia woman was mauled to death by her dogs while taking them for a walk in the woods near her home, local authorities said Friday. Local deputies found the body of Bethany Stephens, 22, in a wooded area off of Mannequin Road in Goodland, Virginia, around 8:20 p.m. on Thursday, the Richmond Times-Dispatch reported. In a news conference Friday, Sheriff James A. Agnew said Stephens' body was found guarded by two very large brindle-colored pit bull dogs. He suspected that the dogs had been bred for fighting. There she is again. It's a pretty big dog. In an initial report, the medical examiner's office said Stephens had defensive wounds on her hands and arms, but the first traumatic injury she suffered was to her throat and face, Agnew said. It appeared she had been taken to the ground, lost consciousness, and then the dogs mauled her to death. He said, according to the local Fox affiliate, the area where the body's victim, they found the body's victim was covered in blood, Agnew said, adding that it looked like that it took at least 8 hours for investigators to collect over 60 pieces of evidence. It was an absolute grisly mauling, Sheriff Agnew said. In my 40 years of law enforcement, I've never seen anything quite like it, and I hope to never see anything like it again. So yeah, that's really sad. Ugh.